high heat, low heat. Need a canteen cup. Here we go. It's the first day of the year. And that means we need to eat certain things. So today we've got New Year's Day soup. Let's get some olive oil warming up. We need to saute a few things. Shallot, garlic, carrot, celery, smoked ham. Now if you're vegetarian, you can skip the ham. You can do some sweet potatoes maybe, or some mushrooms. That'd be good. Maybe add a little smoked paprika and a little chipotle sauce to get that smoked flavor. A little black pepper. And I'm not going to add any salt to this. My ham and my chicken broth are going to be plenty of salt. Tomato paste. This was 1/3 of a cup of black-eyed peas when they were dry. I used some bouillon cubes to make some chicken broth. I was going to say stock, but that's not right. This is broth. There's a difference. I'm going to leave some room because I've got more ingredients to go in. Let's put this guy over on the low heat and let her start cooking away. I need some cool creek water to work like an ice bath. Won't be quite as effective, but we're gonna get there. I've got 3 Roma tomatoes here, and we want to peel those. Alright, so we want to take our tomato that we've cut and we want to drop it in the water. Use a spoon so you don't burn yourself. And we're going to keep it in there for about 15-20 seconds. I've done one. You want the skin to just start peeling away. Whew, cool off tomato. But once that happens, the skins just come right off. Now at home, I would like to seed these, but we're not going to do that today. Now I brought them in a nice heavy-duty freezer bag that'll hold up to me sitting here and crushing these tomatoes. Now we just let that guy cook. Go do whatever else you want at camp. come back and check on it every now and again. It's got to cook for a while. Alright, let's see how this guy's coming. Ooh, hot lid. Try one of these black-eyed peas and see if they're done. We've been cooking for, I don't know, about an hour. Oh yeah, it's melting your mouth done. And how about a nice palm full of dried parsley? Well, we've managed to stay out of the rain, so let's sneak over to the table, put this in a bowl and eat. It rained on me 3 times coming here. Oh boy. I'll see you at the table. Alright, y'all ready for some New Year's soup? Man, I am. It's almost a stew. You know, this is one of the things I like about these little bowl plates. They kind of work like a nice little soup bowl or plate. Man. Oh, that's gonna be good eats, y'all. Y'all check that out. Oh man, it smells so good. Look here, here's to your happy new year. Here's to your health, wealth, and happiness in 2019. I got some good creek water we can toast with this week. Man. Y'all want a bite? You know you do. And I got some extra. I'd share. Man, you just can't get that in a freezer bag. You know what I'm saying? Not freezer grocery store, but freezer bag cooking or freeze dried. That's what I was getting at. Man, that is so good. I love the camping trips where I can cook with fresh food. And you get that out of this. Come on. This is awesome. I'm gonna eat and we'll see you on the trail.